What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Mailchimp to create a newsletter. So let's begin. Now, if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create a Mailchimp account. And once you have done that, log in using your credentials. And the first thing we need to make sure to create a newsletter here in Mailchimp is we need to head over to the dashboard on the left part where it says create. Okay, so from here you will be directed to a new page wherein it says you have the option to create a campaign. It's gonna be if you are going to create a newsletter, obviously what we need to do from here is use the email builder to launch a campaign in minutes, and that's going to be the regular email. Now you can also set an email automations to create a journey, or you can also create a landing page from here. Now for this video we're going to choose design email, and after that, as you can see, you need to title this template or this campaign. You can edit name from here. Now, obviously, what we can put from here is how to use Mailchimp to create a newsletter. Save that. Now, the recipient's information is where or who are you sending this email to. So you can build a list. From here, you can create a list that you wanted later. And from who is then sending this email. You can also customize the subject. All right. And from the same send time or send now, you can click on finish later. All right. Now you can also design the content for your email. And again, from here, once you have done all of that, you can share your email because you have the auto-generated email link from here. And you can add a social post to your email. You can connect to Facebook, to X, or even to Instagram. Now, to add an Instagram post, connect an Instagram business profile first to your Facebook page. And for you to do that, all you're going to do is click on this link right here. And we have a separate video on how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics that you might want to check on that. So click edit if you wanted. Now, for now, let's click on finish later. Okay, so after doing so, all we're gonna do again is from the email option, once we have chosen the regular, you can also choose the template. And from here, you can click on get started. And you can start from scratch. You can also use a creative assistant, which is an AI powered template. You can also choose from the limited templates from here that Mailchimp provided. All right, we have a separate video if you're a fan of this channel on how to create a Canva newsletter, obviously using the Canva, a platform designed for marketing. If you wanted to integrate both platforms, please check our channel. All right, say for example we wanted to start from scratch, and obviously you can begin by naming your template first. And everything here is customizable, don't worry. Now you can replace the logo from here. Click on logo and you can replace logo any single time and every time you wanted. Now from here, you can customize also the layouts from here, and even the text that you can see from different part of the dashboard. Okay. And say, for example, you're contented with how you wanted this to appear. You can always click on the preview button in the upper right corner for both desktop, mobile, or inbox of your Mailchimp account. All right. But again, before you can have an inbox preview, you can need to upgrade your account. But if it's not necessary, all you're going to do is, if you're happy on that, save and exit. Click on that. It'll load up for a little bit. And basically, that's a wrap for today's video. That's how you create a Mailchimp newsletter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.